6 Time Management Tips for Students. Are you a student struggling with managing your time? Worry no more, we've got some amazing tips to help you out. First things first, prioritize your tasks. Not all assignments are created equal. Identify what needs immediate attention and focus on it. Next, create a study schedule. Plan out your day, week, or even month in advance. This will help you allocate sufficient time for each subject. Then, avoid procrastination. It's easier said than done, but with a little discipline, it's possible. Complete your tasks on time to avoid last-minute panic. Also, make use of technology. There are numerous apps available to help manage your time effectively. Leverage them for better productivity. Don't forget to take breaks. Studies show that taking regular short breaks increases focus and productivity. So, don't push yourself too hard. Lastly, get a good night's sleep. It not only keeps you alert and active but also helps in better information retention. Remember, effective time management can make your academic life a lot smoother. So, start implementing these tips today for a stress-free tomorrow.